Okay, so today for Commgiving, my marketing website, I want to talk about two things that has to do with the internet. It is the network effects of how there was a meme going on maybe a couple months back where they showed that Republicans gathered together on the internet and then Democrats gathered together on the internet, right? And so in that instance, you saw two networks, right? And if you're on Twitter, and depending on if you're Republican or Democrat, you go there or you go there, right? So that's network effects. It also has to do with like commercial media, right? So if you really love Disney, right? Disney has like maybe several websites. You'll find a lot of Disney fans just hovering around the Disney oriented websites, so on for other networks, right? And other commercial stuff. And basically that's the network effect. There's nothing wrong with that. What the second part of this analysis is not that whether it's like network effects is real or not. That's pointless. You know what I mean? Like, okay, so let's take a case of like high school. In high school, there's a lot of cliques, and they're all networks, right? A clique is a network. On the playground, on the parking lot, see different cliques. The jocks, see the mean girls, see the Heathers, see the sociopaths. You see the kids that like to experiment with weed. You see all these cliques, right? The white gangster, the wiggers, the white hip hop guys, and then the black hip hop guys, the goths. They're all networks, right? And then that's one school, but then they go to their concerts, their parties in the whole city, right? And then in the city, you also have like citywide goths, citywide hip hop kids, citywide jocks, right? All belong to these networks, citywide, and then regional wide, and then national wide, right? All these different networks, right? The funny thing is there's a cult, right? There's a type of network we call a cult, right? And a cult can exist in a high school, like a clique in high school can belong to a cult that's regional, national, international, right? And that's also a network. The difference between a cult and other networks, whether it's red and blue, goths, jocks, hip hop kids, stuff like that, the leaders or the people at the center of those networks at the moment are outward looking, right? They care about sort of like the nation from a goth point of view, from a jock point of view, from a hip hop urban point of view. They care about the nation. But a cult, at the center of a cult, only cares about itself. So that's network effects. You run across different networks out there, right? Republican, Democrat, hip hop, rural, urban, goth, sewing bees, all sorts of stuff. At the center of the network, they care about the nation in their own way, from their own point of view. A cult only cares about itself. All right, so that's the short one for Commgiving.com. Talk to you guys later.